Hey super swing traders, I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand order flow and trade it for income. Alright, let's take a look at the pound dollar and see what's going on. The monthly, there's a level of demand. It's pretty wide, but irregardless, this level of demand is in control. And so price retested it once, rallied, and then came back and dropped and penetrated even deeper into the level. And this is when it's starting to absorb more and more demand, more and more buyers orders. Okay, but it doesn't mean that it's going to break it. It just means that we cannot short. We want to look for buy opportunities if it starts to reverse up, or wait for a price to break lower and start selling lower. But with these currency pairs, it's, you can see this is the lowest point already. So when it's this low already, it most likely is going to make the reversal to the upside because this is so cheap. And so big banks and institutional traders and everybody is looking to go long, and that's where we want to position ourselves too. Is we want to position ourselves with the big banks and institutional traders and hedge funds and mutual funds and whatever, but this is Forex pair, so we want to position ourselves with the big banks and institutional buyers. Okay, alright, so the weekly, it's in a downtrend with this EMA acting as resistance with this trend line. But if this trend line, if this breaks, then we can, if this trend line breaks, then it's signaling to us that it's going to make the reversal up. If it respects this trend line, then most likely it's going to be penetrating deeper and deeper and eventually break this zone. So we'll see what happens. On the daily, we have, let's see, I'm gonna remove all this. Okay, so on the daily there's a, so you can see how it dropped and then making its way up. So there's an area of demand here, so it's creating new areas of demand and it's going up. So we want this trend line to break on the weekly. If you're trading the monthly, weekly, daily, we want price to go up higher, and then there's an area of supply right here. So we want price to, you want this weekly to go up higher, you want this area of supply to be removed, and that will give you total confidence to go long on this pair if those happen. Okay, all right, on the 4 hour, on the 4 hour there's supply up here, which is the same as up here. Okay, and so 4 hour is in the uptrend. Well, it is an uptrend, but then now it broke. So now this broke, so it could signify that price is making a retracement to down here. So this is not, this is pretty good. This is pretty good, but it's located right here, and this is not that good, but I would buy here and sell here probably. But then I don't trade the weekly, daily, 4 hour really that much. I trade the monthly, weekly, daily because I don't like to take a look at the charts every single hour, every 4 hours. So I just want to check the charts at least one day a week, once a day. And so I want to, if I'm trading the monthly, weekly, daily, I want to wait for price to reach up higher than here and break this area of supply before going long. And if I'm trading the weekly, daily, 4 hour, I could be looking to buy this area, buy here, and then probably sell up here. Just try to get a 3 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, and that is the analysis on the pound dollar. I hope you found it helpful. Please share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and click that little bell icon. That way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.